Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to restore or reopen Instagram photos that already been viewed on your phone. If you accidentally deleted a post, story, reel, or even if a message video, let's see how to restore them. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account and then select Recently Deleted. You'll now see deleted photos, videos, reels, stories, and even IGTV videos. Just note that deleted posts are usually kept for 30 days. Stories may be kept for 24 hours if not archived. Now to recover them, all you have to do is press Profile, Menu, Settings, Account, and Recently Deleted. When you're on that folder, tap the photo, video, or reel you want to recover and tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Choose Restore from the menu and Instagram will ask you to confirm. Just tap Restore again. You may need to verify your identity via SMS code, email confirmation. Once confirmed, the content will return to your profile. And that's it. Your deleted content should now be visible again on your profile. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.